Guys, that was a really good suggestion. Are you ready to see the finished backsplash?
I am so happy with how this turned out. The overwhelming response about what to do above the window was to do the buttons. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't love it. I do think it looks very busy. However, several people posted in the comments that I should put a button clock there, which they don't sell button clocks. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but I did Google it and I would have had to make a button clock, which would have been awesome, but I don't have the mental capacity for that right now. So I just got a clock and I think it's gonna be perfect. It looks so good. Thanks guys, that was a really good suggestion. The next thing I'm gonna do is put up these coat hooks. They're little chairs. Place them like this. Bought 9 of them and they're gonna go right here. I've got these Love Tone color shift paints that I'm going to use on them. One last chair and I have to decide what color to paint it. I'm leaning towards the green or the blue since the purple and the pink are kind of similar in shade. If you were me, what color would you pick? Pleasurable anger or intense apathy? Let me know in the comments and follow along to see how it turns out.